All right, look who it is loaded up.
What up?
All right. Supposedly it's snowing in the northern part of the state, so me and Big Red are gonna take off and try and see what's going on up there. Falling water.
Well, we came up towards this area. We're pretty much here. Like, we're still gonna go. You can kind of see those mountains, like right in this whole area here. We're gonna go run some trails and stuff, but we thought there'd be snow on the ground all up in this area because like there's like snow over the map, and it snowed in another part of the state right over here. Like, it snowed in Harrison. It's like this whole national forest was supposed to get snow, but apparently this area just missed for some reason. I'll have to show you the map. We stopped here at the visitor center. Good news is fire danger is low. Not exactly planning on building a fire, but you never know. Big Pawnee Ranger Station. Big Red getting some quality reading material. Time to take back off.
Okay, so we've driven up this mountain now, and there is snow, as you can see right there. There's Big Red. And there's a little bit of snow right here on the ground, as you can see.
It's not much, but hey, this is Arkansas. You can't be complaining.
I told Daniel there'd be snow and he didn't believe me. How's it feel to be wrong, Dan?
There's not that much snow.
There's enough.
I was thinking it was gonna be like all covered and there's more brown than white here.
Whatever.
Okay. There's red, and that's all that matters.
Ate it. It's way back there. Oh.
Alright guys, what do y'all think? See the fall back there? We're about to attempt that right there, but I think someone's gonna get hurt.
Go for it.
No.
Yeah.
I'm gonna fall.
Alright. Don't try and slip. Oh yeah. You good?
Okay. In my opinion, my professional opinion, I believe that we picked the best day ever to come here. Yours truly. Look at that. Okay. I'm done. There's Dan. My little stud. Okay. I'm done.
Don't do it.
I'm gonna add one more time that there is snow everywhere.
Yeah, it's all white now. There's
Yeah.
there's more white than brown.
Yeah. Question me again. You get cut.
Alright, we spent our time at this one. It's pretty freaking awesome. We saw some snow. This is beautiful here. I mean, look at all that. That is astounding. Emily's taking plenty of selfies. So we're gonna ease off now.
Okay, we found a place to build a fire. Thank goodness, because my tootsies are cold.
Alright guys, we had a killer day. Hope you had fun with us. I had fun. Emily had fun. And tell them the deal, Emily.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to Daniel's channel and like this video if you enjoyed it.